This is the elevator at another part of the Langford building, the Divinity School at Duke University, Durham, North Carolina. I don't know what this was, but all I know is sadly modernized with Lithgow, C.J. Anderson, PTL fixtures. I don't know exactly which one. Or thyssenkrupp, who knows? One 00 and it's currently on 0. Original motor. Actually, this may be thyssenkrupp. I don't know what model this is. Put up to 1. Here to go up. That's traction. I think it's bottom driving, and I think thyssenkrupp did a judgment like that. Here at 1. Back down to 00. Oh yeah, no. Now it's down on the thyssenkrupp controller. 88 phone, I was about to say it was. It's locked. Adam's key switches, except for that one. Certificate. This was installed in 1971 and modernized obviously more recently. Basic stainless steel cabinet with a green floor. Here back at 00. Sub-basement on the other elevator. Of course, it's not going to be it.